Hi everyone, this is Wilson from Nexus Trade. Today is Wednesday, 13th of April 2022. Welcome back to our daily market forecast. So as usual, we start our analysis with dollar index. Alright, currently in US, we can see that the worries are increasing over inflation with new Federal Reserve data showing a record high fear over surging prices. Consumers now see inflation hitting 6.6% over the next year, according to the New York Fed survey in March released Monday. There's a 10% increase in the median expectation just over the past month and the highest level in a series that dates to 2013. The survey showed the median expectation over the 3-year span actually decreased by 0.1 percentage point to 3.7%, largely due to a declining outlook from those with annual household incomes below 50,000. However, we can see that the uncertainty about inflation over both the 1 and 3-year span show record highs. To fight inflation, the Fed last month approved its first interest rate hike in more than 3 years. Additional increases are expected throughout the years as inflation runs well above the central bank's long-standing targets of 2%. So that's why we can see that dollar index continued the rally. On last week, it broke out 99.3 firmly and the price continued to move upwards. So my suggestion is we don't simply sell, as the higher resistance will be 100.5. So we should continue to buy USD until the resistance of 100.5, as 100.5 is also just a minor resistance. Alright, so I'm bullish on dollar index. Next, let us look at USD CAD. For USD CAD, we can see that the price formed a fake key at 1.245 and the price rally is a reversal bottom over here. So since that we can see that bullish convictions dominate in USD CAD, we should continue to follow the momentum and buy. But bear in mind, I don't suggest you guys to chase over here, as there's a resistance of Fibonacci 618. Fibonacci resistance 0.618 is over 1.27. So my suggestion is you guys should monitor a pullback. A pullback price is around 1.255 and continue to buy USD CAD. Alright, so don't chase over here. Be patient and wait for the pullback price to 1.255 and continue to buy. Next, let us have a look on gold. For gold, in last week I've mentioned we shouldn't guess the direction. So we can see that the price choose to break out the resistance. So it's a breakout signal. We should follow the momentum and continue to buy gold. And the upper resistance will be 2000. So for this week, the support actually moves slightly upwards, which is 1935. So kindly monitor the price action when a pullback is given and continue to buy, and the upper resistance will be 2000. Next, let us have a look on GBP and ZD. This is a cross pairing. As we can see that the price previously dropped drastically, and finally there's a divergence over here and the price rebound. So my suggestion is you have to monitor the price action when a pullback is given to double confirm 1.88 is the lowest for GBP and ZD. If we can confirm 1.88 is the lowest for GBP and ZD, then it's a solid base. Then we should continue to buy GBP and ZD. So the resistance for GBP and ZD will be this structure, which is 1.935. So wait for the pullback and continue to buy GBP and ZD. The last pairing that I would like to recommend you guys will be EOS, a cryptocurrency. In forward chart, we can see that the price is pullback. So you have to monitor the price action over here around 1.922 $2. 1.922 is the key support. As we draw the Fibonacci, we can see that for 2 is a key support of 0.886. Alright, of course 1.9 is the lowest. So my suggestion is, as long as the price pull back to 1.922, you have to monitor the price action. If the price stands firmly over here, then we should buy EOS. And the first target will be 2.5. Alright, 2.5 will be your first target. Then the upper resistance will be 3. So it's very simple. We just need to wait for the signal respectively at 2. Alright, so before I end my session, I'd like to summarize again. For dollar index, currently the price is still very strong, though against the trend. The first resistance will be 100.5. For USD CAD, we can see that the price formed a solid base over here, so we should continue to buy when a pullback to 1.225. For gold, we can see that the price chose to break out, so whenever a pullback is given, ideally will be 1935, then we should continue to buy gold. Then for cross pairing GBP NZD, we can see that the price rebound from 1.88, so we should wait for the confluence and double confirm 1.88 is a solid base, then we can continue to buy GBP NZD. Then the last pairing will be cryptocurrency EOS. EOS, we can see that with Fibonacci theory, the price currently is pullback, so we should wait for the price to reach 1.922. So if the price stands firmly over here, then we can continue to buy EOS. Alright, so that's all for my sharing today. If you think the information that I share useful, kindly follow and subscribe to our channel. Last but not least, I wish you all have a nice day and happy trading. Bye bye.